How to make transparent text in Capcut. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create transparent text in Capcut. This stylish effect can add a unique and professional touch to your videos, making your edits stand out. Stick around till the end and let's get started. First, open Capcut and create a new project. Import the video or image where you want the transparent text effect and place it on the timeline. After importing the clip, there appears the editing dashboard of Capcut. From the editing tools, tap Text in the toolbar and select Add Text. Enter your desired text. After completion of text, adjust the font, size, and color to your liking. After the adjustments, tap on the Style section, tap on Opacity, and lower the slider to make the text semi-transparent. Adjust it to your preferred transparency level. Move the text to the desired location on the screen. Play the video to ensure the text looks exactly how you want it. Adjust opacity or placement as needed. Once satisfied, tap Export to save the final video to your device. And that's how you make transparent text in Capcut. It's a quick and creative way to elevate your video edits and add a sleek touch. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.